Ever wondered why every modern structure, from bridges to skyscrapers, has steel hidden inside concrete? Concrete and steel create a balanced material that can resist bending and cracking. One big reason for using steel is its thermal expansion rate, aligning perfectly with concrete when temperatures change. Concrete can handle heavy loads but fails easily in tension. Steel, on the other hand, has very high tensile strength and ductility. It can bend before breaking. The rough, ribbed surface of steel grips tightly inside the concrete mix. Steel is widely available, cost-effective, and easy to shape into rods or meshes. Compared to aluminum or titanium, steel offers the best balance of strength, price, and workability, making it the most practical choice. Steel is also protected by alkaline concrete, which prevents it from rusting. This layer acts like a shield, keeping moisture and air away. Together, they form structures that are strong, flexible, and built to last.